guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a super exciting unboxing video for you guys. I've been waiting so long to try one of these. So for today's video, I am partnering with Roseskinco, Roseskin Company, to give you a little unboxing slash demo of their IPL laser hair removal set. So this is the box that it came in, super cute packaging. On the back of the box here, they give their website. I will also be linking their website in the down bar. And before I even get into this video, I'll say it at the beginning and the end. If you go to my referral link, which I will leave down below, if you use the code Tiff.cooley, which it'll be somewhere up here and down below, you'll get 15% off your own handheld device, which is amazing. So let's just open this bad boy up. That is so satisfying. So when you first open it, comes with two little papers. So there's a user guide, which I will be reading, and then there's like a little card. So, and then we get to the exciting part, the actual product. So this is what the IPL looks like itself. It is so pretty. It's rose gold. It is just really cute. So loving this. So it comes with the actual device, and then it comes with an adapter. So this does have to be plugged in at all times when you use it, but in my opinion, honestly, it's way better than actually having to go to a salon and do it. And plus, it's a pretty long cord, so I'm pretty sure it can reach to where you need it to go. But yeah, just a little adapter. This device is perfect for getting long-term hair removal at home. I don't know about you guys, but I have been really curious to see how these things worked. I'm someone who is hairy, and I hate shaving with a passion, as I'm sure most people do. And I've always wanted to, you know, go somewhere and get it done, but first of all, it's expensive, and second of all, I just didn't have time to go. And also, I'm just uncomfortable going and having people do that. I don't know why, just personally. So this card in here is actually a 90-day guarantee card. So if you don't like it, or you aren't seeing results, you can this has all the information of what to do if that happens. So before going in with your IPL, you want to make sure that you shave all the areas that you're going to be using this on. By the way, you can also use this on all parts of your body, even your Brazilian, everything, anything. You can use it on your face, but don't get close to your eyes. But you want to make sure you are completely shaved before you do it, because it targets the root of the hair. You also want to make sure you plug in your device, because I feel like you might think it's not working and maybe you just haven't tried plugging it in. I'm gonna plug it in right now for you guys and let you know how it looks and all that stuff. Oh, cut that on camera. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna plug in my device. So the little plug is on the bottom right here, so you just plug it in and then a green light will turn on, and that is the little laser. So to turn on this device, you want to click on this little green flashing light right here. It is now on. I can hear it. It sounds like a little fan. So it is now on. At the front of the device right here, you will see this little blue light, and this shows you the level of intensities that you have it on. So there is levels 1 to 5 on here, 1 being the least painful, but from all the reviews I've watched and heard, this is not painful, but there is 1 to 5 level intensities. So basically, I guess it feels just like a warm sensation on your skin. So you can use whatever intensities. The higher the intensity, the faster you'll see results. So, and to change the intensity, you'll just click on the green button back here. So it's on 1 right now, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 intensity. I honestly think I'm just gonna bite the bullet and go for 5 right away. Maybe I'll do 3 on some other areas just because I want to see fast results. So I'm gonna leave mine on 5. And I'll brave it out for you guys. So this laser, one cool thing is that you don't have to worry about wearing eye protection, because this laser will not shine unless it is completely flat against your skin. So I shaved a little part of my arm to do a demo for you guys. So I'm actually gonna start with intensity 1 just to show you. I'll go through each one and let you know how they feel. So I'm just gonna take my arm right here, and you just press it down like that. So when you press it down on your skin, the little pink the little blue light, there's a pink light next to it, and it'll start flashing whenever it's ready to be used. So there is 2 modes also. You can just click it, which I'll show you right now. So you either can just click. Okay, that was cool. It did not hurt at all. It literally just felt a little warm. So let me try again, because I don't know if you saw it. You can see a little light flash. So that's just 1. I'm gonna try it level 2 now. It's felt the same as level 1. Let's go to level 3. A little warmer, but still can bear it. Level 4. A little warmer, once again, not bad. Pretty sure Let's see what level. I'm a little nervous, I don't know why. Okay, level 5. It really did not hurt at all. It just felt like a little, like, I don't know if you know how to explain it, like a little pinch maybe? Not even. It really doesn't hurt. It's just you feel like a warm sensation on your skin. And you can go over the same area 2 to 3 times, but no more than that. And then there's also a glide feature. So for like legs or bigger areas, I will do an example. What you want to do is you want to hold down on this button instead of just clicking each time. You want to hold down. So you just hold this down until the indicator lights are flashing. So they're flashing. So now you just go. I feel like that will come in handy when doing my legs. Turn it off of glide mode. You just want to hold it down until the lights stop flashing, and then it's off glide mode. Also, to turn it off, you just want to hold down on the green button. My doggy wants to join, so I'm gonna have her sit up here for a minute. So I am super excited to try this out. I'm actually gonna use it fully tonight when I get home from work. I'm really excited about this. I've watched videos and seen really great results. And I will be doing an update video around 10 to 12 weeks to let you guys know how it's been working for me. I have really high hopes for it, so I'm excited. It would be so awesome to not have to shave or as often anymore, so I'd love that. Some few additional informational things for you guys. For the results, the recommended results for this, you want to use this once a week for up to 12 weeks. So you should start seeing results by around 3 to 4 weeks, and you should start seeing your hair grow in more slowly. And then by 12 weeks, it should be, for the most part, stopped. And then after that, you just use it maybe once a month for touch-ups or anything like that. Like I said, you can use it on any part of your body, just not close to your eyes. So the handsets have 300,000 flashes, which will last you well over 10 years if you use it properly. So you're good, basically. So if you have tattoos, it is recommended not to go over them. You can go around them, but not to go over them. And of course, different results will vary for different people of different skin tones, hair types, all that stuff. So the way it works for you may work differently for me and vice versa. Not too sure, but I'm really excited to give it a try. Yeah, like I said, I will let you guys know how it works for me. I'm really excited. Make sure to head over to my Instagram as well, because I will be posting a picture of on there, and then also they are sending me a petal face brush sort of thing. It's like a silicone, I forget, it's like the Luna something, and I'll be posting a picture there and also putting a discount code, so make sure to go check me out on Instagram. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you get your hands on one of these guys because they're so cool and they're becoming really popular really fast. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.